top gun.
Hello everybody, this is the Bulldozer, and thank you for giving me your time and thank you for watching another one of my videos. I really do appreciate you giving me your time. We got a different video for you today, folks. We're on the way to Gatlinburg for a family vacation, and I found myself in a situation where I was forced to call 911 on a semi-truck driver that was creating very, very dangerous situations. To one point, almost his entire rig was off of the road. Numerous times he was kicking up debris, throwing it on, or possibly throwing it on vehicles in the lanes next to him and behind him. And you'll see here in a second, I'm going to stop a clip and blow up a picture here. There's going to be an exit ramp here, and you're going to see where this driver is just not paying attention. Don't know if this driver's falling asleep or what. Just have no clue what the situation was. You can see we got this exit ramp coming up here, and you can see right there, and let's blow this picture up, and you're going to see, look, he's driving over the white lines. Look, his entire rig is almost off the road. It looks like that white pole right there, like he barely missed that with the right side of his rig. It's like, don't know if this driver was falling asleep, if he was on his phone, what he was doing. Just, you're going to see numerous situations. And actually, I didn't even catch this. I'm seeing this on video when I'm putting this video together. And just numerous situations. Now, we got construction crews that are working along the highway. They're cutting the grass and stuff like that. So, which create even more of a dangerous situation. And then we get into a construction area where they take and lower the speed, and I just don't get it. You can see actually right here, you can see as I'm saying that, you can see we got construction crews right here where they are mowing the grass. So again, and for somebody to be driving like this, just absolutely insane. Did not think that I was going to have to be on the phone with 911, and you are going to see a sheriff pull up behind this rig. I'm on the phone with 911 shortly after this footage, and they want me to stay behind the rig and observe to them what is taking place as we are going down the highway. That's the reason why we don't change the lanes, get in the left-hand lane to go around him. We are staying behind him so I can inform them of the truck driver's actions as we were going down the highway. So let's go ahead and continue on. But again, there'll be numerous times, and when you go into turns and stuff like that, with these big trucks, I can understand if they go across the white line, but we're not talking about something like that, folks. We're talking about a situation to where, every tire on the right-hand side of this rig is past that white line, and then at one point, when you blow the picture up, you zoom in, it looks like every single tire of this rig is on the other side of the white line. It's just absolutely insane. I see you got construction signs right here. I think those might have been more signs stating that, be on the lookout. Either there's construction ahead or, they're mowing. They're doing more mowing on both sides of the highway here. So now you got the reduced speed limit sign to 55. And see again, you see he's right over that white line. But that wasn't as bad as the last one. I will say that was not as bad as the last one. That last one, he was like it was almost like that he started the exit and then changed his mind type thing. So we're just going to continue on. I am going to cut some of this footage out, and you can see right there as I said that, I did a little splice. But it was just absolutely crazy. And here's another splice. We got another situation where I think this might be one of the times he is going to be kicking up stuff. He's going to cross that white line, and it's going to be kicking up rocks and stuff. There he goes right there. And there you go. There he goes, folks. And here, let's go ahead and blow this up. And here's the picture blowing up. Now look, you can see how, this is what I was talking about earlier. It looks like every one of his tires is on the other side of that white line. The right hand side, look how close it looks like his tires is to that grass. Look how much blacktop is between the driver's side of his rig and the white line. I mean, there is a lot of blacktop there, folks. There is a lot of blacktop there. Absolutely insane. If his entire rig is not on the other side of that white line, that shoulder, it is awful close. And this is the point, I think, when I called 911, I said, look, there is something going on here. I said, don't know if this driver is falling asleep, because this is early in the morning. You can see it's 8 o'clock in the morning. As you can see the time there at the bottom. And see, there he goes, he's kicking up more stuff again. And some people might say, that's in the middle of a turn. But folks, in the middle of a turn, I can understand crossing a little bit, not crossing that much. And you're going to see this is going to happen numerous times. Numerous times. So now we're going to go into another clip here. You can see we got a straightaway here, and there he goes, kicking up more debris. Now this is a straightaway, so you can't use an excuse as it was because it was a turn. This is a straightaway, and now he has hit that shoulder again, where he is kicking up, or she is. You know, a woman can do the job just as well as a guy. I'm gonna put that out there. She or he is kicking up debris. Again, absolutely insane. This is very, very dangerous. Again, at this point, I am already on the phone with 911. That's why we are staying back. We are staying in the center lane. And there he goes again, folks. Again, this is the third time in this video you have seen him kick up debris. Again, I mean, look how wide that debris pattern is. I mean, it almost looks like that debris pattern, that dust and everything he's kicking up is going all the way over into the next lane. Now, I can only imagine that when we get down the road here a little ways, you know, there's a pretty good gap from the bottom of the road to the bottom of his mud flaps. So it very well could be he could be kicking up rocks and stuff. Look, you can still see his tires is right on across that white line. Again, or she. And again, it appears they are hauling either skids, or they are hauling, or not, or they got something on top of the skids covered in a tarp. Can't tell what they are. So again, going across the white line. So again, don't know if this driver is driving too much, if he's tired, or if she is tired again. I'm just going to put that out there. There we go again, crossing the white line. Again, all of his tires on the right hand side of his truck is on the other side of the white line again. There we go, all of his tires again is on the other side of the white line. Again, this just happens numerous times. I think this might be where the sheriff comes in. Yes, right there is the sheriff. And I think they see the sheriff. I'm assuming the sheriff must say sheriff on the hood of that car, because it does seem like they straighten up a little bit. But once I tell 911 operator that the sheriff is behind them, we go ahead and we change lanes and we get away from this truck driver. Not 100% positive if they take and they pull him over, because I don't think they can just take our word for it. I did offer to provide them the video. They had our number. If they needed the video, they could contact me. As of this date, they have not contacted us for that video. But that request or that offer was made to the 911 operator. I can tell you, I did speak to 911 in 2 different counties. This went from one county and I got transferred into another county. So that's how long this went on. Again, we left one county going into another county, and the second county is where this sheriff was located at. So once I tell them that the sheriff is behind them now, we're going to change lanes here in a second. You see we got a lot of cars coming up behind us. Because last thing we want to do is we do not want to go right along the side of this truck. Definitely going to get into the high-speed lane. There you can verify this is the sheriff. And see, you can see right there his tires are kind of edging there again. And as we come up along the side of this truck, I'll pause this video so you can get a picture of this truck again. It looks like he's just got skids. I'm assuming it's only skids, but I don't know why they'd have tarp on the skids. So I don't know. They're stacked awful high. Maybe there's something in between each one of those skids. I don't know. I have no clue what's on this load. I don't know why they would tarp a load of skids. So there's probably something else on it besides skids. But you can make out the orange truck definitely. At one point we was close to get the trailer number, so 911 did have the trailer number as well. So as we drive past here, I'm going to stop talking. I am going to send this video over to Bonehead Truckers, because this is definitely a bonehead trucker move. This driver was putting everybody else's lives in jeopardy, as far as I see it. Them going off the road and have to make a last minute change to try to correct herself. They could end up going across the highway. Who knows what could have happened? You saw the footage for yourself. You see him kick up debris, which only would have happened when they was in the shoulder, which means they was going off the road. You've seen it at least 3 times in this video. Here's some more of that footage. Enjoy the video, the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your time. I really do appreciate it. This is the Bulldozer. Drive safe, and I'm out of here.